So, now we're ready to set up our model for 3D printing at Shapeways. In order to change the print settings, make sure that your scene is selected in the 3D panel. Now, in the Properties panel, find the 3D print settings icon, the one that looks like a printer. If you'd like to rotate the camera around your object, make sure your selection tool is active and choose the first option in the 3D camera mode menu, located here in the options bar. Click and drag anywhere on your canvas to move the camera. Now, let's make our way through the print settings from top to bottom. The first choice we are given is to select our printer's location. For this tutorial, select the Shapeways.com option. After selecting Shapeways, open the next drop-down menu. You should see an impressive list of materials in which to print your 3D model. These materials range from plastic to ceramic to metals and even full-color sandstone. Find Frosted Detail Plastic and choose the Ultra Detail option. I've found that Ultra Detail produces a high-quality 3D file that works well for the small size of this object. Later, when using Shapeways, I'll be able to order the object in another material if I so choose. Find the Detail Level dropdown and choose to give this model the highest level of detail. Now we're ready to export our printable 3D model and send it to Shapeways. In the 3D menu, choose 3D Print. It's important to know that by clicking 3D Print with the Shapeways.com option selected, you're really just exporting the 3D object to a file that Shapeways can use to print your object. Printing doesn't actually happen until you place your order. At this point, Photoshop will run a number of processes that basically make sure your 3D model is fit for print. This may take a few minutes. When finished, Photoshop will tell you that your estimated purchase price may differ from the actual price. Click OK. An export window will open. Here you'll get a final print preview of your object in the material that you've chosen. Spend some time with the 3D camera tools to do a final check of your object. When you're ready, click Export and choose a location on your computer to save the file. Now we're going to upload our model to the Shapeways website. Make your way to shapeways.com. If you don't already have one, click Sign Up to create a free Shapeways account. If you have an account, log in. Once you're logged in, you'll need to upload your 3D model to the site. Choose Make and Sell and click Upload. Upload your design by choosing Select 3D File and navigating to the file that you just exported. It will have the extension .stl.zip. Next, select your preferred unit of measure and click Upload Now. While waiting for your model to upload, be sure to scroll down to see the variety of materials in which you can print your object. I designed this piece to be small enough that I could print the object in raw brass and still have it be under $20. From here, feel free to print in any material that suits you. Just note that certain materials have printing limitations due to the size of the object. When you've picked your material, select Add to Cart and submit for printing. It's that easy. After placing your order, you can expect Shapeways to check your model and the materials, and in no time your object will be printed and shipped directly to you. So there you have it. You've created and printed a 3D model directly from Photoshop CC. Join me in the next video as I demonstrate how to share your 3D models with others on Sketchfab and Behance.